Hey kids, welcome back to Tales Corner YT. Today we've got an amazing DIY project that's all about fun, science, and recycling. We're going to show you how to make a cool water wheel fountain using plastic bottles. Yes, that's right. Just a few plastic bottles and some simple materials, and you'll have a working water wheel that you can play with all day long. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this project: 3 plastic bottles, any size will do, a pair of scissors, hot glue gun. Make sure to get an adult's help with this one. A skewer or thin stick, a small motor, optional, but fun for more power. Some rubber bands, a tray or bowl to catch the water, and of course, some water. First, take one of your plastic bottles and cut it into strips to make the water wheel paddles. Be careful while cutting. You can use about 6 to 8 strips for your wheel. Now, we're going to take another bottle and cut off the top and bottom so we have a long, cylinder-like shape. This will be the base where our water wheel will spin. Once we have the paddles and base ready, it's time to attach them. Use a skewer or a thin stick and poke it through the middle of the base bottle. Then, glue your paddles around the skewer, making sure they're evenly spaced out. This is where the water will hit and make the wheel spin. Now it's time to set up the fountain. We're going to place the water wheel inside a tray or bowl that will catch the water. If you have a small motor, attach it to the wheel for extra power. But if not, no worries. It'll work just fine with just water pressure. Next, take your last plastic bottle and poke a small hole near the bottom. This will be our water source. Fill the bottle with water and watch as it trickles down to spin the water wheel. Look at that. It's working. The water is spinning the wheel just like a real-life water mill. Isn't that cool? You just built your own water wheel fountain out of plastic bottles. It's recycling, engineering, and fun all in one. So how does this work? The water flows onto the paddles, and the force of the water pushes the wheel, making it spin. This is the same idea that big water wheels use to create energy in real life. By reusing materials like plastic bottles, you're not only having fun, but also learning about forces and motion. You can try making different versions of this project too. Add colors to your water, or even set it up outside on a rainy day to see how fast it spins. You can even try making bigger or smaller water wheels to see what changes. What will you create? I hope you had a blast making this awesome water wheel fountain. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tales Corner YT for more fun DIY projects and exciting stories. I can't wait to see what you come up with next time. Until then, keep experimenting, keep creating, and most of all, have fun. Bye.